Dr. Jad Mansour. I'm an orthopedic sports surgeon. I'm coming from Canada, so I come from far away, but it was worth the flight. So I discussed cartilage lesions in the football players, and I talked about the consensus that was recently done between ICRS and ASPETAR that talks about the cartilage lesions in football and how should we treat them, whether we treat them non-operatively or operatively. So first, I would like to thank the organizing committee. It's such a nice conference. I'm very happy, very honored and privileged to be part of the faculty panel, and was very happy to see all of those discussions and all of the presentations that were done by experts in the fields. Hopefully, I would like would be happy to join in the next version next year. And thank you for the invitation.